When you're managing workplace health and safety, you want confidence that you're keeping your workers safe and you're in full compliance with all safety regulations. And for that, there's no better tool than SiteDocs safety management software. With SiteDocs, you'll be able to digitize your entire safety program with digital forms, safety documents, worker profiles, certifications, and more. Not only is it super easy to set up, but it's fully customizable, letting you tweak, adjust, and update until it's a perfect fit for your company's safety needs. Your workers will love how quick and easy it is to fill out digital forms. They can use voice dictation to add comments, select from preset options, take photos, draw on them, scan codes, and much more. Now, inevitably, workers will forget to complete forms. So to make your job easier, SiteDocs allows you to assign scheduled forms to your workers, including automatic reminders and overdue notifications to make sure required forms are being completed. Once the form is complete, the forms are automatically uploaded to your account and can be viewed in real time, making it easy to hold workers accountable and giving you confidence in their daily compliance. Just imagine the confidence you'll have managing your safety program with SiteDocs and the peace of mind you can enjoy knowing you have full visibility to track, monitor, and ensure safety compliance company-wide.